This is a complete course on ESP32 development. So, are you new to ESP32? Let's start. The ESP32 is a series of low-cost, low-powered system on a chip or SoC microcontroller which is developed by ExpressF, and it has both capabilities of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Why is ESP32 so popular? The first one is the low cost. ESP32 starts at around $6 and it is easily accessible to the general public. The next one is low power. The ESP32 consumes a very little power compared to other microcontrollers, and it supports low power mode like deep sleep to save the power. One of the important selector for ESP32 is the Wi-Fi capability. The ESP32 can easily connect to a Wi-Fi network and also work with wireless networks as an access point. This is essential because for some IoT projects and home automation projects, you might need Wi-Fi capabilities. Besides that, it also supports Bluetooth, that is the classic Bluetooth, as well as BLE, that is Bluetooth Low Energy, which is useful for wide range of IoT applications. If we talk about most ESP32s, they are dual core. They come with a 2 extensa 32-bit LX6 microprocessors which has Core 0 and Core 1. Apart from this, ESP32 supports a wide variety of input-output devices and peripherals like capacitive touch, ADCs, UART, and even SPI connections. Now the next question is, how do you actually program an ESP? Well, it is compatible with Arduino and also MicroPython, which is widely used in most applications.